So for our last speaker today, we have Mr. Takaharu Nakamura, and he is the principal engineer in the Network Business Strategy Group at Fujitsu. Please welcome Mr. Nakamura.
Thanks for the introduction, and hello, everybody. It's my honor to be here and make some presentation. So I'm wondering, how can I add something more after the very excellent presentation of Colin? But anyway, let me get started. And in my, just a moment, how can I do this? Oh, okay. Well, when I get the topic of ecosystem, I think it could be a very generalized one. So I will touch upon some of the topics outside 5G as well, but I hope it's still in the scope of the panel and useful for the consideration of viewers in the future. Oh, reverse one. So first of all, let me get started with our digital transformation survey that was carried out almost 2 years ago. So I'm wondering it's somehow obsolete, but anyway, the first one is quite apparent. Out of the more than 2,000 interviewees in the world, these are, okay, it's working. So 1/3 of the interviewees have said that digital transformation is quite useful or important. It's apparent to us, I think. And could you go to the next slide, please? Yes. And also the outcome of digital transformation from business perspective. Of course, the revenue improvement is the first thing, and customer relationship improvement follows. And you will see a few more outcomes of the digitalization as in this slide. So let me skip detailed explanation on these because of the time pressure. Oh, okay. Why? Oh, it's complicated. Can you see that? Could you enlarge the one? But okay, it's a small graph that shows the comparison between the prioritization of the interviewees, and I hope you can see some of. Okay, the message here is some entrepreneurs would need partners when we try to introduce such kinds of technical solutions, and the first one was, if I remember correctly, thank you for your help. Some partners who is professional in the technology area is the first thing, and oh, it's gone. Okay, should I wait for a while or? Okay, in the meantime, anyway, these are the research outcomes almost done into 1.5 years ago, so maybe some figures have been already improved. And could you go two or three slides more? Is it working? No. Okay, maybe you'll see another. Okay, let me try once again. One more. Okay. Okay. In summary, the message here is you would need some technology partners to implement your digital.
I'm sorry, I will interrupt just for a second. You have to press the one, this white one. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
That's why it's very short.
Ah, okay. Sorry. I was not an expert on this gadget, but anyway. The message here is, once again, you need a partner, and the slide says that our company is one of which. So let me go through. And if we go to a few more, yes, once again, this slide shows that, yes, these solutions or technologies have been improved in their own areas so far. But one of the observations is, in next few years, you will see these what we call ICT ban. So some smart guys combine all of these technologies and carry out some new businesses utilizing all of these technologies, and 5G could be one of which. And as an example, our company provides platforms for digitalization, and in this case, I picked up AI, artificial intelligence, as a platform, and you will see a few more solutions like mobile 5G, IoT solutions, or security technologies as such. So these are the platform to be utilized in our digital era. And regarding 5G, yes, the role of the 5G is connecting all of these physical world to digital world, and some data processing could be done in these 5G system as well. So this is the role of 5G, and by utilizing this one, will improve something. And I think you are familiar with such kind of chart that representing the area of 5G applications, and some of the qualities or quantities could be improved, and these cutting edge area would be the area that 5G should be deployed or utilized. And okay, I think as our technical solution providers or resolution providers, we are working with some of the programs done by, in this case, I picked up some pictures from United Nations, and these are the projects being carried out by United Nations, and you will see 17 pictures for some set by the UN as a sustainable society goals. And we are working with, sorry for a very busy slides, but we are working with some of these areas. And as an example, I picked up 5 applications. And the message here is, yes, we are working with these areas by utilizing ICT technologies. And the thing is, these are not the 5G technologies, but we're using 4G or 3G mobile communication, mobile technologies in these areas. So if we utilize 5G, apply 5G technologies, we expect some more intelligent work could be achieved. So we are expecting by introducing 5G in some of these areas, will improve. We could develop, provide few more intelligent technologies and improve our level of societies. So I think that's the last one. Yes. So sorry for my very rushed manner presentation, but let me conclude my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Obrigado.